Hey girl, this is just a short video to let you guys know how many locks I have. Do tell. To be honest, because we've been waiting on this, they're doing pretty good. I haven't had any problems with them. They do get a little dry sometimes. A little oil will take care of that. But I do use like a tea tree oil and a whole bunch of other mix of oils for my hair. See, I told you. Sometimes they shrink. I guess it's because the coils in my head where I interlock them at here at the roots. That part, it stays the same. I do not want to lose my coils on the end. I don't know if they'll go. I don't know if they'll stay. I have never locked my hair before, so ain't never a thing. This is all new to me. I have done a count in my head already. Let me tell y'all, it took a long time for me to get this count on and going. It's just like when I interlock my hair for the first time. I would get one and I would interlock. I would be doing so good, just interlocking, just going in and out. And all of a sudden, when I'm done, I'm like, yeah, I got it tight. I look at it. There's two of them stuck together, and I hate that. That's what happened to me while I was counting my locks. I would be counting them, then I grab two at one time, lose count, have to start all back over with my counting. It was a task. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. It was a task to sit here and count these locks, but I said I was gonna do it. I did do it. I'm so ready for them to get to a longer length. Patience is the key. I have patience for my hair. Usually don't though. I'm always switching up. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It took me a minute to count these things. I count them, then I lose count, then I count them and grab about 3 of them at a time and have to recount and get so upset with myself because I've grabbed so many, you know. But everything is still good. It's more than I thought. I didn't think I had that many, but I do actually. And to be honest, I've had more because when I first interlocked my hair, I was pulling, I was pulling them and tying them up and creating one whole lock out of 2 locks. So I did attach some together when I first interlocked, but I still never thought that I had that many in my head. I did want to at least reach this number. If you look at my first video, when I first did them, redo them because I had to make them smaller. I'm satisfied. Now we're just waiting on growth and everything else that comes along with being locked. So you guys, the thing about it is I have, what a drum roll here, I'm ready. The number of locks that I do have in my head is 402 locks. You said 402? How many of you guys thought it was less? How many of you guys thought it was more? I ain't know what that meant. If you have any questions for me or comments, you got patience. Please don't hesitate to comment at the bottom. You said patience was the key. Ask me questions, ask me something. But yeah, that's how many I have. If you thought it was more, hey. If you thought it was less, hey. All right. Thank you.